When death comes, the rich man has no money and the poor man no debt. Who never built a house thinks that the walls grow out of the ground. The work will teach you how to do it. Better a goat that can give milk than a cow that cannot. Do not choose your wife on your way to the church. The devil does not always wear boots, he sometimes comes barefoot. There is no room for two kings in one castle. The new boat will find the old stones. In a garment made of silk there are no fleas. When God gives a child, He also gives the clothing. If you go only once round the room, you are wiser than he who sits still. Who does not thank for little will thank for much. Who does not thank for a little will not thank for a lot. If the bread in the oven is a failure, you lose a week. If the harvest is a failure, you lose a year. If marriage is a failure, then you lose a life. Little kettles soon boil over. A girl without a needle is like a cat without a claw. The old man looks death in the eye, the young man keeps him behind his back. It is better to be without a wife for a minute than without tobacco for an hour. Manure is the farmer's gold. Coal that does not burn gives little heat. The stomach never gets full with licking. Barking dogs don't catch hares. A good deed is written on snow. A good deed bears interest. Old love does not rust. Silence is sometimes the answer. Wasting time is stealing from oneself. The summer comes and kisses the child, the winter comes and kills it. The mistakes of others are good teachers. The wood is the poor man's coat. Earth is dearer than gold. The law is 3 days older than the earth. The pipe is nearer than the wife. One cannot make soup out of beauty. The town is new every day. Where there is no fear, there is no pity. Happy the marriage where the husband is the head and the wife the heart. A much-used plow shines, stagnant waters stink. Justice knows no friendship. They are not all men who wear trousers. The cork is always bigger than the mouth of the bottle.